Does Grafton Street have a nightlife? If you are curious about the nightlife scene on Grafton Street in Dublin, you are in for a treat. Grafton Street is not just a bustling shopping destination during the day, it transforms into a lively area in the evening. This street is surrounded by a variety of bars and traditional Irish pubs that come alive after sunset, making it a key part of Dublin's nightlife. As the sun sets, the atmosphere shifts. You will find a mix of traditional Irish pubs, stylish cocktail bars, and venues featuring live music. One of the most popular pubs in the area is Kehoe's. It offers a cozy setting with historic interiors that reflected the charm of Dublin's pub culture. If you prefer a more upscale vibe, Café Insani is a fantastic choice. This venue combines a stylish cocktail bar with an extensive food menu, making it perfect for a relaxed evening. Live music is a staple in many pubs around Grafton Street. O'Donoghue's Bar and McDade's are two spots where you can enjoy traditional Irish music sessions while sipping on your favorite drink. If you are in the mood for creative cocktails, Peruke and Periwig and the Blind Pig Speakeasy are excellent options. These bars serve innovative drinks in unique settings that are sure to impress. Beyond the pubs and bars, the area around Grafton Street offers a range of dining options and social venues that contribute to a vibrant evening atmosphere. The combination of historic pubs, modern bars, and live entertainment makes Grafton Street a popular nightlife destination for both locals and travelers. For those traveling in Ireland, visiting Grafton Street at night is a wonderful way to experience Dublin's social culture. You can enjoy traditional Irish hospitality while sampling a variety of drinks and live music in this accessible part of the city. Whether you are looking for a casual pint or a sophisticated cocktail, Grafton Street's nightlife truly has something for everyone.